Well, today I'm making some creamy pasta. It'll be like Alfredo style pasta. I'm going to use this fusilli pasta right here. So just put it in the hot water. And I'll need to let this cook for 9 minutes. So I set my timer for 9 minutes on the microwave. My next thing I will need is some... Let's see here for the ingredients. Which one will I need? I will need some heavy whipping cream. Oh, it's feeling kind of light. I hope I have enough for the whole batch. I will also need some butter. Luckily, I got some butter prepared. Butter and cream. And we're also going to put some broccoli. I also put some sea salt and some fresh ground pepper. I will also need a bag of frozen broccoli. I'm going to toss this in with the pasta towards the last 2 minutes. If you're ever out of heavy whipping cream, like I feel like this is halfway. Ideally, I would want to use heavy whipping cream, but if you're ever out of heavy whipping cream, you can always use plain cream cheese as your base for your Alfredo sauce. Did you know that? I'll also use this quattro formaggio. It's a blend of Parmesan, Assaggio, Fontina, and mild provolone cheeses. I also have half a lemon. I'm also going to be using some of the skin. I'll be grating some of the zest. Are you hungry? Yes, we're cooking some pasta right now for you. Woo, woo, yummy, yummy, yummy. Pasta, pasta, pasta. You're hungry? Say, I'm hungry. Say, I'm hungry. Hungry. Make sure you give your pasta a stir at least 2 times during the cooking process so it doesn't come out in one big lumpy mass with some hard noodles. Okay, so I got a little busy and I wanted to toss the broccoli inside of the pasta for the last 2 minutes. That's what I usually do, but you know, my little one got me busy, so I'm just gonna dump this pasta and put a little oil on it, toss so it doesn't stick together, and I'll cook the broccoli separate, and then we'll put it all together. So I have my pasta here. I'm gonna put a little drizzle of oil while I'm waiting for my broccoli. I'm just gonna give it a little stir, because as the pasta's resting, sometimes it'll all get stuck together. And you know, in the back of the restaurants, when I used to work as a chef, if you order spaghetti or pasta, that stuff is already ready. They cook the pasta in huge batches, and then they just put a little oil on it so it doesn't stick. And then they just take from that, like if somebody's ordering a small bowl of fettuccine, they'll just take a big clump of that noodle from the huge pot of noodles, and then they'll work on your fettuccine. They don't boil the noodles each time you order some pasta at a restaurant. With the broccoli, I don't want this broccoli to overboil and get squishy. It's just like a quick dip into the boiling water so that nobody will bite into an icy chunk of broccoli. Because the longer you boil a veggie, the more nutrition you're going to lose in the water. Pieces are pretty big, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut them down a little bit. This way the broccoli is about even and everybody gets broccoli in their pasta. And I can take off these big stem pieces there. So I'm gonna do that to all of my broccolis. This is how it's coming off. See, this is like more even opposed to getting one giant chunk of broccoli inside your pasta. Okay, we got the broccoli chopped up. We have the pasta done. Now it's time to work on our sauce. Okay.
I want to drink some of that. I want to eat some.
Here comes the little pepper. A little salt.
Sorry if my hand was a little wiggly right there because the Lord started to me and smacking me.
And next comes a little bit of lemon juice. Don't get any lemon seeds in there. So try to catch any lemon seeds.
Make sure you don't add too much lemon because I don't want to.
And turn your heat down low if it gets too hard. Just a little bit of lemon zest, because it gives the food, it gives it a little hint of lemon flavor. And now we're going to add in our pasta and the broccoli.
Can I have some?
Yes. Okay, here comes the pasta. I put some pasta aside because my other daughter does not like creamy pasta. She just likes plain butter pasta.
I like creamy.
And here comes some broccoli. I think I'll just leave the little chunky stems off.
I think that's too much for the little pan.
Yeah, now we you can turn up the heat and just stir it all in there and keep adding more cheese to thicken up your sauce. Look at that. Is that looking good, everybody? Do you want to reach into the TV and eat this right now?
Seriously?
Yeah, so I'm going to just turn up the heat a little bit more. Oops, lost the noodle.
Stop.
Yeah, so you know what? It doesn't look cheesy enough, right, guys? We have to add more cheese. Look at this one. Ready? There we go. We're going to add a little bit more of that cheese. And get a little more. And then we're going to incorporate it everywhere.
So 1 out of 10, how hard is it to make this?
I would say this is a easy 5.
That means half.
Yeah, and then after you make this kind of sauce, you may think to yourself, I don't think I'm ever going to buy Alfredo sauce in a jar again because it's actually very easy to make your own Alfredo sauce.
This one actually tastes better than the other sauce in a jar because it tastes like garbage.
Yeah, you heard it from a child right here. And kids can be very picky and they're very honest. If they don't like something, they will let you know. Okay, so there you go. I just served it up in a bowl. And to finish, you just want to garnish with a little bit more of your cheese. And then give it to somebody that you love so they can enjoy your food. I'm going to give this to my daughter, Helena.
Okay, I'm going to try it. It tastes good.
Yay! This pasta is really good like any time of the day. You can have a breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Or as a side or as a meal. And if you're having it for a meal, add like some protein like shrimp or chicken, fish, anything you like in there. Thanks for watching!